Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with another video. In this video, I am participating in Bumpy DIYs and Joan Brody's My 3-Tier Display Challenge. I will make sure to link to their channels below in the description box, as well as the playlist of all the other YouTubers who have joined in on this challenge so you can check out their 3-tier displays and get some great inspiration. Now, as you know, my style is coastal farmhouse, and I'm really into navy right now, so I'm going to be sharing my rustic metal 3-tier display, but I'm going to be adding those blue elements so that you guys can get the best of both worlds, and I'm going to have you follow me along while I style it. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you can get more videos like this. I do a lot of DIYs, home decor, frugal home decorating, because I love bringing stylish things into my home but not paying a lot for them. I also do tutorials and lots of other things coming soon. So make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell on the corner so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, as you can see here, I have my little helper. That's my 6-year-old daughter, Natalia. I decided to use this little Adventure Awaits farmhouse sign that I actually won on an Instagram contest. And then there's this little white vase that I got from my local Goodwill, and I added some navy napkins, and I just kind of folded them to make a little fan, as well as this little mason jar filled with oatmeal. Then I got 4 tea towels from IKEA that I bought for $4. I just rolled them up and tied them with a ribbon. This little candle here is from Dollar Tree. And this white creamer I got at my last Goodwill thrift store haul. I also use this pretty navy and white vase that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I filled it with some vase fillers from Dollar Tree. That little white stand is from the Target Dollar Spot. That little blue candle is from Dollar Tree, and those are the other 2 tea towels. This moss ball I created from moss from the Dollar Tree in a styrofoam ball, and then I used the flowers that I had left over from my DIY mason jar floral sconce, and I'll link to that tutorial as well if you want to check it out. And I basically just added the flowers to fill in empty spaces around, and that was basically it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I also hope you enjoyed how I brought very inexpensive items to bring a really nice coastal farmhouse look to this tray. It really doesn't take a lot. A couple of items from your dollar store, a couple of towels from IKEA, and some things I had around the house that were left over from other projects, and it created something very cohesive and really nice. Now, if you want to see more videos like this and more other coastal farmhouse style tutorials that I've created, I'll go ahead and link to them right here so you guys can check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.